Post up, round in it, flossing on it. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I've recorded, and I know that I'm trash and I know that you guys are gonna drag me, but I've been super busy. Like, I got my tonsils removed less than 2 weeks ago. My car got smashed up. I have had like so many things happening, and then work is about to start back as well. So summer break is pretty much over. But I don't want to spend too much time talking about that. I'm back now, and I promise to be more consistent. And so today I am going to be doing a video for you guys on the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I'm going to be dropping things apparently. I'm gonna be reviewing this palette and doing a tutorial with this palette. So if you like this look, stay tuned and I will show you exactly how I got it. Okay, so first things first, I got my hair pulled back. As you guys can see, I already have like the base of my makeup on because I didn't want to do the full face on camera. I'm really committed to trying to like shorten these videos up and make them as concise and compact as possible. So I already have my full face on. We're just gonna get right into the eye look. Okay, so as you guys know, we are gonna be using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette today, and I just got this palette. I think this palette sells for like $10.99 or $11.99 or something. That's really inexpensive. So we're gonna start with this baby today. Usually I always start my eye looks the same way. Like I start with the Morphe M504 brush. This is my baby. I always try to utilize this brush when I'm doing my makeup because it blends so well. Like, it's such a good fluffy brush. And I'm gonna start with this shade Cola Float, this like tan brown shade right there. That's gonna be my transition color. Truth be told, like if this was like a regular day, Lazy Candy would just put this color on and keep it moving, because that is how I have been with my eyeshadow lately. Like, I don't want to do anything like elaborate or fancy. Ain't nobody trying to cut no creases. Like, I really am just like in and out when it comes to my eyeshadow. Maybe like 2 colors tops, but that's it. Then I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here called Crushing. I'm using that same brush. Ain't no sense in messing up no good brushes. Alright, now that we have that orange color, the orange I did was like a little disappointing, but it's like a palette that costs $10. Like, I'm not about to trip about it. So I didn't expect too much from like the MACs. Now we're gonna go in with this color called Cherry on Top. This one is like a pretty like plummy kind of color. Ooh, we like her. Oh yes, yes, come on, swoop through, shit. And just to like deepen out the outer V, I'm gonna put a little bit of this root beer color on here. That's like the darkest shade in the palette. And then I think we're gonna get a little fancy. I think we're gonna do like a little baby cut crease. Why not? So to cut my crease, I'm just gonna be using like a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to be using my Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC. This is like a really good base. And I'm gonna go in with the shimmer shade Cherry Cola. It's like a really pretty bright pink shade. So now what we did to the top, we are going to do to the bottom. So I'm just gonna put those same colors, like the plum and the dark brown, underneath my eyelid. And we are going to add a little wing liner to the top. I'm going to be using my Fenty Fly Liner, which is right here. Using my VIB Rouge brush that I got from Sephora as a free gift after becoming a Rouge member. And this is like the perfect time to plug the fact that they are having their semi-annual VIB sale. So if you are Rouge or VIB or even just a beauty insider, you get a percentage off. So if your VIB insider is 10%, Rouge is 20%, and then just regular VIB is 15%. So go ahead and go to Sephora and stock up on some things. You can get this blush, the NARS Dolce Vita blush, or the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter that I'm going to be using, the Bar Gold highlighter. I love both of these products so much. So go ahead and get a discount if you can. A gold highlighter. This is like the prettiest, most perfect packaging of a highlighter that I have ever seen in my life. This is just so pretty. And I'm going to be using the one in the middle, like the rose gold shade one. For lips, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Limitless Brown pencil. On top of that, I am going to be using Anastasia Peachy lipstick. And then truthfully, I could stop here, but we all know that that's not the kind of person that I am. I'm definitely going to be adding a lip gloss, and the gloss that I'm adding is going to be the Tom Ford gloss in the shade Naked. Our final step is always the same. We are going to use our Scandinavia finishing spray. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial because I had a lot of fun doing it. I really do enjoy doing reviews of these Maybelline palettes just because they're so cute and they're so fun, and like I love a good theme. So overall, my thoughts on the palette are, is it worth the $10 or $11 that they're charging for it? And I definitely think so, because it has like some stars of this show. I think that the shades Crushing, this purple shade, was bomb. It is a matte shade, and Lord knows that they kind of struggle when it comes to matte shades. But also this shimmer that I used, Cherry Cola, which is like a deep kind of rosy mauve color, is so pretty. Like the color payoff is so bomb, which you can see it on my eyes right now. So I do think that the palette overall was worth what they're charging for it. This is pretty good for a drugstore palette. Don't go into it thinking that you're about to get like Natasha Denona quality, because it's just not gonna happen. So I feel like if you are prepared and you know what you're getting, then you will be fine. Definitely make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. Please make sure that you like this video and give it a thumbs up, because if you don't give it a thumbs up, then YouTube won't know that you like it. So let them know that you feel in my videos, and subscribe and like it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Like I said, I will be back. I will be more consistent. I promise to give you guys more videos consistently. Thank you.